So also I look to try to exploit that direction. I look to try to find a trend. I've been doing it for all my years. My overall strategy, my overall concepts have not changed. My overall techniques have not changed. I've seen thousands of people coming into the business. I've seen and talked to and tried to therapy thousands of traders, hundreds of traders, and just go through it for all the years. As we are in a ever-changing market landscape. What does that mean? How do you have an ever-changing market landscape? Sometimes we're in bull markets. Sometimes we're in bear markets. Sometimes we are overbought. Sometimes we are oversold. Sometimes we continue to move in different directions. Technical difficulty on my side. So anyway, so the market's ever changing. The landscape's ever changing. We just talked about three different directions: uptrends, downtrends, choppy across the page, reversals, different markets, different time frames. You may be in a bear market for the morning. You may be in a bull market for the afternoon. You may be a channel in the morning. You may change in reverse, as we just pointed out in MGM throughout the day. The idea is to find something that will continue to push out or continue to repeat over and over, whether it be an uptrend where the stock pulls in X amount of percentage, whether it be 0.5% or 1%. Every time the stock pulls in 0.5%, you're going to buy the name, and then it's going to continue to rally up 1%. Buy it on the next pull in, 0.5% in for it to rally up on the next name, or vice versa. Take a weak stock. Weak stock rallies up. You get short when it rallies 0.5%. It pulls in 1%. Rallies again 0.5%, pulls in 1%. That's a downtrending stock where you're getting in on the trend, capitalize and maximize and push the envelope in that direction. These are all important words. All you guys out there, ladies and gentlemen, you should be focusing on a daily basis. It's something that you should be thinking about as you're doing the trade. You know, we have multiple lessons here, and we continue to go through them all the time. And for me, it doesn't really matter if you're a beginner trader, advanced trader, somewhere in between, hedge fund, options, and so on. You always need to be able to maximize and perfect your risk reward scenario out there in the market, in trading, throughout your whole career. All you need is one blow. If you need to let your guard down one time, and you set yourself up for not only total disaster, but for all of us or for yourselves, not to be able to partake in this incredible business that we're in. Something that we enjoy doing, something that I wouldn't trade in, and I haven't traded in.